In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate your Canva design into another language using Canva AI. Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to translate your Canva design into another language using Canva AI. This is perfect if you're repurposing flyers, social posts, or presentations for different audiences while keeping your original layout and style. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in and that your design uses fonts that support the language you're moving into, especially for languages with special characters. Start by opening Canva. You can use the web version or the app, whichever you're comfortable with. Once you're in, click Create a Design. You can start fresh if you'd like, but if you already have a design ready to go, that's even better, because the translation feature works directly with existing files to preserve your formatting. On the home screen, look for the Quick Actions section and click Translate. This takes you straight to Canva's built-in translation tool, so you don't have to copy and paste text or juggle multiple tabs. Canva will prompt you to select a design. Choose the design you want to translate from your recent files or your folders. Take a moment here to confirm you're selecting the correct version, especially if you have multiple drafts with similar names. Next, select the language you want the text translated into. Canva offers a wide range of languages, and the tool aims to maintain your layout while changing only the text. Keep in mind that different languages can expand or contract line lengths, so headings and callouts may look slightly different once translated. Now, let Canva AI do the heavy lifting. It will automatically translate your text across the entire design. Your images, colors, and branding stay intact, which saves a lot of time compared to manual edits. Once the translation is complete, you'll see the updated text in place. Finally, review the translation and make adjustments if needed. Read through headlines, captions, and buttons to confirm meaning and tone. Check line breaks, text wrapping, and spacing in tighter areas like banners or infographics. Pay attention to names, product terms, and numbers that shouldn't change. If you're working with languages that read right to left or use complex scripts, take a close look at alignment and punctuation. When possible, ask a fluent speaker to verify key phrases to ensure accuracy and cultural fit. And that's how you translate your Canva design into another language using Canva AI. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.